Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cancel order in GrabFood. Alright, let's begin. So if you want to cancel your order in GrabFood, then first you need to simply open up your Grab application. Once you open your Grab, now you just need to go for account, which is on the bottom right, and scroll down. Tap on Help Center. Under your Help Center, here you will have your search. So search for cancel order. Once you search for cancel order, here you will have two options, which is for orders made through the Grab application and for the orders made through mobile browser. So you can simply choose whichever you're comfortable with or whichever you have chose while ordering. And then enter your order details and click on the cancel button to cancel your request. The GrabFood Help Center will notify you once your order has been canceled. So that's basically how you can cancel order in GrabFood. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.